Hey, it's Ed here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for Dow Jones Industrial Average Index or the DJI. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott Wave Theory and provide multiple scenarios price may take and explain why I prefer one count over another. Let's take a look at the different possibilities. Starting here on 1 hour time frame, and today again looking at the structures from January 2022. Since then we had some kind of three-way structure here, and we had two different scenarios, both which are okay-ish looking. In this one we have this as a WXY into W, ABC, a very wonky looking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into an X, and then a three-way move here back into wave Y, getting to 1.236 extension of this W wave for the wave Y, and then looking to pivot higher. The other one we had is a possibility where we had double expanding diagonals, and I have to say that no, I don't think this is possible. This is just bad. Even a single expanding diagonal is more rare than a three-way move of any sort, so I have to say that this is definitely not the one to go for. But I just wanted to show you that there is this possibility still. These are measuring fine, but again, if there is another way to label this, I will, and this is the case. We had other scenarios here as well, where we had this as a 1, 2, and looking for again 1, 2, 1, 2, and so on. But again, we are starting to get invalidations all around. Price back, getting back to this previous wave 1 area, so we can't have the third here. So it would be very bearish overall if we would go for something like this. So definitely not my favorite count either. But as we have mentioned, I have the WXY here ending something here, whether it's the full correction here or it is just a three-way move that is looking for a three-way move here, have some kind of connector wave in between, a new dump downwards, or whether this is going to rally up a bit more with a 333 or something like that. We'll see. But again, taking a look here with smaller time frames, let's go to 15 minute and take a look at the bullish case first, in which we could have this as a wave 1, 2, this would be a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have the highest RSI around here, which would be around here. So again, I don't really like this structure here too much if we are looking at slower time frames. It is very weird looking. I'm not going to be trying to fit too much count into this. The other indices have shown that there is a possibility for a diagonal here. In this, on Dow Jones, I feel like there is a possibility for a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, with no doubt. Then we would have again that same three-way structure back down to wave 2 here, and then looking for higher prices. At the moment, all I can see here is a leading diagonal into wave 1, 2. Wave 2 is very, very shallow, however. We have to remind ourselves that. And then we would be looking for another 1, 2. At the moment, again, I think we have ended it down here, ended wave 1 here, if we are looking this bullishly. However, I don't think that is going to be the case if we're looking at the RSI. But we'll just keep this option open until it invalidates in price. Here we would be looking for three-way move back, unless this is some kind of three-way move already completed. To me, this does not seem finished. This does not really entail that, okay, this is a five-way move, so indeed I would be looking for one more low here. If we are looking at this retracement here and saying wave 1 is up here, let's take a look here, and these are the areas we would be looking for. Non-Elliott Wave stuff, we don't really have much here other than a daily around. That isn't even too close to anything, I guess. Yeah, really not much here. We don't have even volume on this chart. Nice. I need to probably chart it in some other chart if that has some more volume. But yeah, not really much around the golden pocket or even the 0.5. 0.5 has this high here as a possible breaker block here. That would support idea of being at the 0.5, and also, well, I don't know if this is going to be counted as support. is these previous order blocks here, or smaller time frames here, going forward. Well, now we have the daily there as well, so more support there, I guess. But yeah, not much else here on the bullish idea. I still favor the bearish ideas for sure. Again, all the way until we get to the 1.618 extension of the first leg, I'm still going to be going with more bullish, or sorry, more bearish views. So 1, 2, 3 would be needing to get past the 1.618 for me to turn at all bullish. Bearish count is this one, in which we have a 3-way move here for a wave A or wave W, and then there's many ways to label that as well, ABC of some sorts, for example. Then 3 ways back into B or X, and then if you're looking at the A, B and C, then we would most likely look at the same exact structure here as we did for the bullish count, in which this would be a wave 1, 2, and then looking for 1, 2 again. If we are looking at the WXY count here, again we don't have the 4-wave structure in the wave Y. Instead we have a 3-wave structure. So this would be most likely a wave A, then wave B, and then looking for wave Y. Wave C. Sorry. Again, this does not really feel too completed to me. Maybe it is, or maybe this is something else completely as a 3-way move. That's not out of the options either. If this is going to be W, X and Y, we have clear 3-way structure here, but I'm not quite sure how we're going to be getting here with the proper impulses. Maybe we have to use the gap here into our advantage, say that we have something like this, to have this as a WXY. So 3, 3, 3 into a 3, and then this would be 3, 3, 3. Possible. But yeah, those are the ideas at the moment. I'm not going to be trading Dow Jones. I don't think, if I want to be trading the indices, I'll probably use the S&P 500, or for a bit more volatility, I'd use the Nasdaq for sure. This doesn't have as clear structures as those two, so that's why I'm avoiding it at the moment a bit. I just don't like how it have moved in the past here, so I can't be too clear on those, Elliott Wave wise at least. Targets for these moves, just basing off of these, we can see the 0.764 extension of this first leg here would be going back to the weekly or dailies. Also we have an order block here as well, so again, loads of liquidity above these highs most likely, so take out the short positions and then dump, would be my guess. But that is pretty much everything I wanted to share on Dow Jones at this very minute. If you made it this far into the video, I would appreciate likes. Link to my free Discord server in the description below, and for now I thank you for watching and hope you have an amazing rest of your day. See you in the next video, bye bye.